Coming up on Expresso this morning, hot handbags for the cold winter season. And check out the best picks at the local box office. Stay with Expresso and SABC3.
See you next week. Die vleg sal my face.
Yeah, it's just, I'm so glad you got the brief about the.
Danny.
Sure.
Oh my word.
Yeah. We've got a lot of time to go. Sure. A couple of seconds, I think.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh, let me see.
Look straight there.
If you ask me how I'm doing, I will say I'm doing just fine. I would lie and say that you're not on my mind. All the big dog would never come on.
That's pretty weird thing to say.
Yeah,
no, that's not.
That's why just keep dropping even lame or comment. Even like hard for me to try. I keep checking on his lame.
Okay.
It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back to Expresso here on SABC3. Definitely your feel-good breakfast show. We have been making delicious recipes with hot cross buns all morning long. We started off with some savory hot cross buns, and then we made some hot cross buns macaroons. And now we're going to make a delicious dessert called hot cross buns semi-Fredo. Here to help us do that is our beautiful chef who has the same plait like me, Alette van der Westhuizen. How are you?
Well, how are
so
you?
you got my SMS then?
I did, thanks.
I
Got the memo.
I thought you might have missed it.
Got it,
Very
absolutely.
cute. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm always happy when you're working with ice cream.
I know, and hot cross buns.
Absolutely.
All right, so
absolutely.
we're making a semi-Fredo this morning, which is a
semi-frozen dessert.
Semi-frozen dessert. It's
Yeah.
an ice cream sorta.
Sort of, yeah.
Okay, kind of sorta.
And you know me, always when I'm on the show, I like to do a cheats recipe because it's quick and easy, and everyone out there is not a cook.
My girl.
You know what I'm saying?
There we go.
Today we are going to be using store-bought ice cream. So no one needs to stress. You don't need an ice cream churner. You don't need to mix by hand with a whisk for hours. So you buy your ice cream, and we're just going to add some things to it to make it gorgeous. And when we think hot cross buns, we think apricots, we think cinnamon, we think all kinds of like orange and lemon and those kinds of flavors. So that's what we're going to be adding to our store-bought ice cream. And a bit of white chocolate just just to mix a little bit of extra fat in there.
You are speaking my language this morning, and we're using hot cross buns. They can be either fresh or not so fresh.
Yeah, semi-stale.
Okay, I don't know what not so fresh hot buns are because they never last that long in our home. We eat them straight away.
They shouldn't last. So what we're going to be starting with is we need a hot oven, 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then we've cut our hot cross buns in about 1 by 1 centimeter little blocks. So we're going to put that onto a baking tray, all right? And now, in essence, we're making hot cross bun croutons, okay?
Oh, right, all
so we're just crisping them up in the oven ever so slightly, all right?
Nice.
So that's what we're going to be doing. Let me just gooi
gooi bokkie.
There we go. Okay, cool. So that's what we're doing. Now that goes into a hot oven for, I would say, about 10-15 minutes or until golden brown and crispy.
Nice. So we're pretending that's the oven there.
That's the oven. It's in. And this is what we are left with. So it's nice and crispy.
Yes.
You see?
I feel the crisp.
So there we go. So that's what that is in essence what we are adding. That is the hot cross bun element, okay? As well as those extra flavors. So, store-bought ice cream, now it's very important to buy good quality vanilla.
Yes.
And if you can, buy the vanilla bean one. So you can see the little black spots in there. That is the vanilla bean in there. That just adds fantastic flavor.
Okay.
So there we go. Ice cream into your bowl,
right.
okay? And also buy a soft scoop ice cream so that it's easy for you to
mix
fold all your little
mix.
additions
Okay,
into it, all right? So now we're gonna add our hot cross bun croutons last.
Okay.
First of all, we've got some Turkish apricots that we've cut in small little blocks. Taste that. That's fantastic.
Would you like your leopolki?
Yeah, but you're going to be stirring.
Oh,
I'm
am
going
I?
to make you work. There we go.
Sure.
Then some cinnamon. Okay.
All right.
Now, as you all know, that the recipe is on the website, so you can get all your measurements there. We've got some lemon zest. We've got some Mineola zest. Now, that is like a cross between a nachi and an orange.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I love Mineolas.
It's fantastic. It's also my favorite. And then a little bit of Mineola juice. Now, you can start stirring ever so slowly. Okay. Then what we've done here, on a water bath, can you pass me that? On a little water bath, we have melted some white chocolate. Also, once again, try and get some good quality white chocolate, okay?
Yes.
Now you need to be quick about this. This is your final little addition.
Okay.
Now, we're stirring in the chocolate, but remember it's hot chocolate now, okay? So your ice cream will melt really, really quickly. So what we're doing is putting that in there and then adding our hot cross bun croutons.
All right.
And then we have to freeze it immediately.
Okay, so we're going to mix this up right away.
Mix, but don't over mix. Just give it a quick stir.
Okay.
And
now, you
then
see,
I'm
this is
quickly
when I get nervous, though, when you say don't overmix, but I don't think I can do much damage in the time that you're going to go to the freezer.
I'm just getting the...
Okay, while I'm doing this, if you would like the recipe for our hot cross bun semi-Fredo, which, by the way, smells incredible, all you have to do is SMS the word dessert, that's DESSERT, to 33728, and we will send this to you, and you could be making this. I don't think I've overmixed it, though.
No, I think you're perfect there. So what this is what we left with, basically, Leanne.
Yeah? Oh, that
After
looks
you've
delicious.
frozen it for about, I would say, between half an hour to an hour.
How adorable.
And that is your Easter dessert done and dusted.
Wow, I would probably just sit in front of the TV with
And
this
just
be
and
like,
just wolf that down. It's as easy as that.
Okay, but that looks prettier.
Yeah, no, definitely. So there we go. Please have a bite.
There you have it. That is our hot cross bun semi-Fredo. It looks absolutely delicious. Once again, the keyword for that is dessert, DESSERT, and SMS that to 33728. If you did miss any of the steps in making this delicious dessert, check this out.
Cut hot cross buns into squares, then bake at 200 degrees until crispy. Melt chocolate, then mix into softened ice cream. Add cinnamon, apricots, lemon zest, and Mineola zest and juice. Add toasted hot cross buns and mix loosely, then freeze for 1 hour before serving.
And this is tasting so good. Wow. Well done. You have outdone yourself. Do you know what I like about ice creams is when they have a chunkiness to them?
Absolutely. You taste the chocolate.
I
It's
taste
now
the chocolate.
solidified.
I
Just like
taste
little
everything
chunks.
about this gorgeous recipe.
It's
Thank you
fantastic.
so much,
You're
Alette.
welcome.
Well, that
Happy
is our
Easter.
happy Easter to you too. I hope we're
you.
going to see you back before we come
Definitely.
there. Hey?
I'm back next week.
Lovely. I like it when you're here. You make this yummy stuff. Well, that was our hot cross bun semi-Fredo. You can make that too. Once again, the keyword dessert to 33728. Well, it is Human Rights Day, and Kat is going to be talking a little bit more about this while we enjoy this in the kitchen. Over to you, Kat.
We found goodness in Goed Gedacht olive oil and all the good they do for the community. Pick and Pay, always there for you.